Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to clear history on MetaTrader 5. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your MetaTrader 5 application on your computer. Once the application launches and you can see your main dashboard, direct your attention to the top menu bar where you'll find several options. At the top of the screen, click on File. This will open a drop-down menu with various file management options that give you access to important folders and settings within MetaTrader 5. From the drop-down menu that appears, click on Open Data Folder. This action is crucial because it takes you directly to the location where MetaTrader 5 stores all its data, including your trading history, charts, and other important files. The data folder is essentially the backbone of your MetaTrader 5 installation. Once the file browser opens, you'll see several folders. Look for and click on the Bases folder. This folder contains all the database files that MetaTrader 5 uses to store information about your trading activity and platform settings. Inside the Bases folder, you'll see another folder called Default. Go ahead and click on this folder to open it. The Default folder is where MetaTrader 5 keeps all the default configuration files and historical data for your account. Next, locate and click on the History folder. This is the specific folder that contains all your historical trading data, including past trades, account statements, and transaction records. This is exactly what we need to clear. Now, here's an important step. You need to completely close your MetaTrader 5 application before proceeding. This is necessary because if the application is running, it may prevent you from deleting the files or could cause errors. Make sure the program is fully closed before moving forward. Once MetaTrader 5 is closed, go back to your file browser where you had the history folder open. Now select all the files and folders inside the history folder. You can do this by clicking inside the folder and pressing Ctrl+A on your keyboard to select everything at once. With all the files selected, press the Delete key on your keyboard to remove them. This action will permanently delete all your trading history from MetaTrader 5, giving you a fresh start. You might see a confirmation dialog asking if you're sure you want to delete these files, so just confirm the deletion. Now open your MetaTrader 5 application again. When the platform launches, you'll notice that all your previous history has been cleared. The application will start fresh without any historical data, which can be useful if you want to clean up your workspace or start tracking your performance from scratch. And that's it. You've successfully cleared your history on MetaTrader 5. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.